The real way AI can help your social media without running it for you. You started your business because you're good at what you do, not because you wanted to spend 3 hours a week staring at a blank screen. But here you are. Here's what most people don't tell you. AI won't run your social media for you, but it can cut the grunt work down to something manageable. Let me show you how. Start with strategy, not posts. Spend 30 minutes with ChatGPT or Claude before posting anything. Ask it to build content pillars, 3 to 5 topic categories you'll keep coming back to. Use a specific prompt. I run a 4-person cleaning company in Austin. My customers are busy working parents. Give me 4 content pillars with 5 post ideas under each one. You'll have a framework in 2 minutes. Ask about posting frequency too. 3 to 5 times a week works for most small businesses. The honest limitation: AI doesn't know your local market or what your specific customers care about. It gives you a solid draft, not a finished plan. Write better captions faster. A good caption used to take 20 minutes. With AI, it takes 3. But give it context. Instead of "give me social media ideas," write a casual Instagram caption for a before and after kitchen photo. Our tone is warm and funny. Include a call to action to book through the link in bio. Keep it under 150 words. Read it out loud before posting. AI loves corporate phrases like "elevate your experience" that no real business owner would say. Edit those out in 2 minutes. The honest limitation: AI can't replicate the inside jokes you have with regulars or local references. That's what makes people actually follow you. Use AI for structure. Add your own voice. Build your entire month once. Sit down once a month and ask for 30 content ideas tailored to your business, platforms, and upcoming events. Ask for a mix: tips, behind the scenes, customer stories, promotions, engagement questions. Drop them into a Google Sheet with columns for platform, format, and date. You don't need expensive software. You just need AI and a spreadsheet. Reality check: maybe 10 of those 30 ideas are actually good. You still filter with your own judgment. Handle visuals without hiring a designer. Canva's free version works well. Their pro plan, $15 per month, lets you generate images, resize designs instantly, and write text for graphics in one place. For more original images, Adobe Express, free tier, includes Firefly. Type "cozy morning coffee shop with croissants and latte" and get usable results in seconds. But here's what matters. AI images still look AI-generated. Real photos of your actual team, product, and space will always build more trust. Use AI images as gap fillers, not your main content. Here's where this actually lands. You used to stress about what to post daily. Now you spend 30 minutes monthly on a content calendar, a few minutes editing captions to sound like you, and you pull visuals together without hiring a designer. That's not doing everything for you, but it's the difference between a social media presence that exists and one that actually gets done. The time you spent staring at blank screens, spend it on the actual work you built this business to do. Ready to try this? Pick one platform and create your content pillars today. It takes 30 minutes and changes everything.